My name's Alex Best, I'm Head of Capital at Hull University Teaching Hospitals. In November 2020 we were awarded 12.6 million, which set us off on our journey of decarbonisation as we strive as a trust to be carbon neutral by 2030. The funding, which was administered by Salix, enabled us to do a number of core schemes. So we invested over £4 million in a 5 megawatt solar farm, which is adjacent to Castle Hospital, which in the summer months, as we're standing now, generates all of our electricity for the day. We also invested over £1 million in heat pumps. We've enabled over 15 separate heat pumps across both of our sites. So we've decarbonised directly from gas and installed a heat pump to provide our hot water and domestic hot water needs. The Salix process and funding also enabled us to do a number of other schemes, such as LED lighting. We've changed 22,000 light fittings across every building in the site, and that was over a period of 9 months. We also did some insulation works, some upgrading of our thermal insulation to buildings externally and internally. And then we did a number of other low profile schemes, such as the BMS, so making sure we had smart buildings and that our systems operated as efficiently as they should do. Without the BEIS funding, which was administered by Salix, we wouldn't have been able to start this journey, which has really set us off on our goals. And in total, the schemes have saved over 1,500 tonnes of carbon, so we're well on our way to decarbonising our trust from an energy perspective.